So you're looking for a special way to say, I love you to someone on your Valentine's? This dish is for you. So it's 2 ingredients. You just need olives that are pitted and puff pastry. I'm using black and green olives, and I have a thawed piece of puff pastry here, and you're gonna cut it into strips like this. And then I have a skewer. You can use big skewers or like the traditional size. I have shorter ones because I think they're perfect for an appetizer. So this would be great for Valentine's Day dinner, your Galentine's Day dinner. And if you didn't get it, it was a play on words, like I love you, olives, I love you. Get it? So you're going to thread your puff pastry on, and then you're going to get a pitted olive, and you're going to thread that on. And these look super fancy as well. If you pull it up to the top and you thread another piece, and now I'm going to add a green olive, and so on and so forth. They're easy to make. They look like you spent a lot of time, but you didn't. And they're just perfect for Valentine's Day. All right, so here you go. Pretty little olive. And you put this on a parchment lined baking pan. And I have my oven set to 350. I'll do one more to show you real quick. And then I have some extra virgin olive oil in a dish, and I'm just going to brush that on top, and you bake them for about 20 minutes. And you have the most perfect romantic appetizer for Valentine's Day, for Galentine's Day, or just any day of the week that you want to tell someone, I love you. All right, so onto the sheet they go. I have my extra virgin olive oil that I'm going to brush on top. These couldn't be simpler. 20 minutes and they'll be golden. All right, guys, and here we have it. Your perfect Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day appetizer, and the perfect way to say, I love you, all of you, to your sweetie. Enjoy.